Hello everyone. Imagine this. You have a website. It could be a company website, an online store, or web application your business depends on. Now imagine waking up one day to find that customer data has been attacked. Emails, passwords, sensitive information, all leaked. Your website goes down. Customers lose trust. And every hour offline means real financial loss. This is not overstatement. In 2016, Uber suffered a massive data breaches that affected more than 57 million users and drivers. The impact wasn't only technical. There were big financial losses, legal problems, loss of customer trust, and long-term damage to the company's reputation, all because of web application security fails. And here is the dangerous part. Most attacks don't happen loudly. They happen quietly. Attackers can stay inside system without alerts, without errors. Sometimes for months, everything looks normal until the damage is already done. And this growing threat is exactly why an organization called OWASP exists. OWASP stands for Open Worldwide Application Security Project. It's a global non-profit community focused on identifying the most critical risks facing web applications today. They analyze real attacks and real incidents, then published OWASP Top 10, a list of the most dangerous web application security risks that every developer and company must understand. If you want to recognize these risks before they turn into real losses, this course is your starting point. If you are ready to take web security seriously, you can buy the course from Udemy with title OWASP Top 10 Web Application Security Risks 2025 edition. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.